Good morning. Today we are correcting CO21. We were talking about whether a number is prime or composite. Remember, if it is a prime number, it is not divisible by any other number other than itself and 1. If it is composite, it means when we go through those divisibility rules, it's divisible by something other than itself. So prime, you can only divide out itself and the number 1. Composite, you can divide out at least one other number. So an even number we can divide by 2. So it would be a composite. Okay. So let's look at whether these numbers are prime or composite. We know that 75 is composite because we can divide it by 5. 41 is prime. We could not divide it by any of the numbers. 36 is composite. It's an even number. We know 6 times 6 goes into it, so we can divide it by 6, divide by 4, divide by 9. 117 is a composite. It is divisible by 3. We talked about that one in class. 37 is prime. We cannot divide it by any of those numbers. 11 is prime. We cannot divide it by any of those numbers. 27 is composite. It is divisible by 3. 111 is composite. It is divisible by 3. 777 is composite. It is divisible by 3. If we add up 7 plus 7 plus 7, we get 21. 21 we can divide by 3. Can you wait till we're done and then we'll go over questions? What's your question? Okay. 52 is composite. It is an even number. 180 is composite. It's an even number. If it's an even number, we know it's divisible by 2. Number 9 is composite. It's divisible by 3. 56 is composite. It is an even number. 71 is a prime. It is not divisible by any of those numbers. 89 is a prime. It is not divisible by any of those numbers. 279 is composite. It's divisible by 3. And then our question on the bottom, is 1 a prime number or a composite number? Explain your reasoning. It is not a prime number. Remember, we said it's not prime because it's only divisible by 1 number. Prime numbers are divisible by 2. It's divisible by itself and by 1. It is not composite because there are no more than 2 factors. So it's really not prime or composite. Important thing to remember is 1 is not a prime number. Claire, what was it you wanted to share? No, if you have a question, we can go over it now. Yeah.
I did all my work correct. I just don't
and that happens. It happens on the test where we do all of our math correctly, but we just accidentally write the wrong thing. What's going to happen if you do that on the test? It's going to be wrong. So you want to make sure on the test that you are double checking, making sure you put the correct thing. Layla. Yes. Yep. Callie.
For number 279, I don't know how I got that wrong.
So 279, you said it was prime?
Yeah.
So we know it's composite because 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 18 is divisible by 3.
Oh.
So you might have added them together wrong, or you might have forgotten what the rule of 3 was. So on your help sheet, it would be a good idea to put the rules so you can answer. It's going to help you with our last objective. It's going to help you with this objective. So it's a good thing that you're going to want to put on your help sheet. Any other questions on today's math? All right, so for those watching at home, we hope you are well. We hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.